Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines. Today, we're diving into the features of the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. Whether you're living in a dorm, traveling, or just need a compact laundry solution, we've got you covered. Let's see how these two products stack up against each other in terms of capacity, functionality, and overall convenience. When it comes to washing capacity, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine offers a total of 17.6 pounds, with 11 pounds dedicated to washing and 6.6 pounds for spinning. This makes it ideal for larger loads, perfect for families or those who need to wash multiple outfits at once. On the other hand, the portable washing machine has a total capacity of 16 liters, which is more suitable for smaller, delicate items like baby clothes or intimate apparel. While the BANGSON provides more flexibility for larger laundry needs, the portable washing machine excels in portability and ease of use for quick washes. Portability is a crucial factor for many users. The BANGSON weighs in at 28.67 pounds, making it less ideal for frequent relocation. Its semi-automatic design requires manual transfer between wash and spin tubs, which can be cumbersome. In contrast, the portable washing machine is ultra-light at just 4.52 pounds and can be folded down to a mere 6 inches tall, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. This makes it the perfect choice for travelers or those with limited space. In terms of functionality, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine features a semi-automatic operation with mechanical knobs, allowing users to select different wash modes and timers. It includes a soaking function for heavily soiled clothes, enhancing its cleaning capabilities. Meanwhile, the portable washing machine is fully automatic and operates with simple touch controls, making it user-friendly and convenient. However, it has limited wash cycles and a basic spin basket, which may not be sufficient for all laundry needs. This highlights the trade-off between the BANGSON's robust features and the portable washing machine's ease of use. In conclusion, the choice between the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the portable washing machine ultimately depends on your specific laundry needs. If you require a machine that can handle larger loads and offers more robust features, the BANGSON is the way to go. However, if portability and convenience are your top priorities, the portable washing machine is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.